Underwear. Show them that camo underwear you got. That a s'mores? That good, baby?
Dada. Dada, is your camera waterproof? Oh.
I wish.
Yeah. But Dada, if it was waterproof, you could go into the truck.
She's seen you and talking about Dad, Dad, What? Don't start. Who was at the pool?
Yeah.
Y'all was at the pool. Was y'all in the pool?
Yeah, she made a friend.
She did. Hey guys.
Look at mama, y'all. She got on. She's rocking her two-piece.
Guys, guess what? I know how to spell my name. J-R-E. Now I know how to spell my sister's name.
Good job.
I know how to spell my friend's name.
Let's go, Adeline. Good job, booty. Good job. She asked you a question. What does that say? Yeah.
I don't want to go to the ocean. It's so gross.
Go, Libby. Done catching fish?
Yeah, there's boogers.
Yeah.
But we think that's all you're at.
Uh-oh. I'm about to win. I'm about to win.
Look at him.
Hey, silly, bro.
Get a picture of him.
I'm gonna send it to Big John.
What the heck is going on here?
I'm gonna send it to Big John.
You burying him alive?
You burying him? No, just put him on.
She is burying her cousin alive. Look at this, guys.
You gonna sleep, baby?
He's asleep.
Hey,
The back of my head. We're taking him alive. I'm saying, what's the back of my head?
Whoa.
Huh?
Buried alive on the beach.
Oh, you what I'm saying?
What the heck? Look at this, guys. They have buried Aiden alive on the beach.
Okay, Sissy, watch out. I'm going to jump over him when he's alive. Break out.
Oh.
Do that again. No.
He rose from the dead.
Dad, I want to go to the pool. You help me come out my phone. I'm not going back down there. I forgot my phone.
You're not going back to the beach?
No.
Why?
I want to go to the beach with my mermaid towel on.
Yeah. Go to the beach when?
I want to go to the beach with my mermaid towel on. Now with my leg.
You your mermaid tail. You keep forgetting it, right? You forgot it, baby.
Some days I don't wear it.
Yeah, some days you don't wear it. Some days you're a mermaid, some days you aren't?
Yeah.
Oh. When are you going to see the Little Mermaid movie?
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't know either. I want to see it though. Where we going now? To Hot tub first. Wash my feet off. Or pool.
This pool.
I want to go to hot tub.
No. How about this? We go in the hot tub at nighttime. We go in the pool at morning time. Okay?
Go in the pool at nighttime. Go in the hot tub morning time.
No, we go in the pool morning time, the hot tub night time.
Yeah.
Look.
What? Oh.
I don't know where one is. But he needs it. Honey, do you want to go relax?
Oh. Whoa. Whoa, guys. Whoa. This is...
I can barely there. Down here. Dad, what's your name? That's so hot. What's your name? I'm about to. Daddy, I only made my floaties on, Dada. Dada.
Look, lady.
I don't even need my floaties on because look. I like to stay in the hot tub again. Let's come over our house one day, okay? Our house, what's her name? Andrea. Mine is Hannah. Hey, she can come up to our house one day.
Okay, what happened? Your new friend. What?
I forgot my goggles.
No, no, start over. Your new friend what?
My new friend said she can give me a pair of goggles because I forgot my goggles at the beach.
Oh, okay. That's cool, baby. You made a friend already?
Yeah.
Hey, that's crazy.
This is my friend.
Hey, pretty girl. What's your name?
Mary Alice.
Hey, pretty girl. She's making friends. She's making friends after she's learning how to swim with no floaties, y'all. I gotta make sure this is real. Drew's first time with no floaties, y'all. I gotta make sure I know it's real. I gotta record her on the move. What, baby? Show me some swimming on the move.
Jump into the water and I can jump up.
Show me no floaties. Right there. Swim to 4 feet. Hold to the side. I know, you gotta go. Are you trying to show me? Good job, baby. Good job, baby. She's almost at 4 feet, y'all. Crazy girl, mama. Hey, you fearless though, baby. That's the great thing about you. You are a fearless girl.
I know.
You're not scared of nothing, are you?
Hold on, vlog. Watch me, vlog. Hold on, vlog. Watch me. I do the deep.
Under the deep, vlog. Under the deep, vlog. 4 feet. She's fearless. She wanted y'all to see. She wanted y'all to see that she's fearless.
Dada,
Go,
you
baby.
hold me.
Go, baby.
You hold me.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Ah man, my shoulders are hurting.
Dada, Dad, you have swim trunks on.
No. You got a pretty purple bathing suit on.
I know.
Pretty two-piece bathing suit on.
But Dada,
What, baby?
KJ don't even come to Florida with us.
KJ has to come to Florida with us.
Yeah, he thought he can, but he couldn't. And Cal.
And Kels. They will.
Where?
We are gonna take a trip.
Where?
This is gonna be
Dad, jump on the square zone.
me and the
Square.
kids.
Square.
Oh,
Square.
I was doing that this morning.
Yeah.
I got a problem with
Yeah.
Me and Austin.
You're not going to Daddy. You're staying with your mama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We fat.
We want to stay inside.
Hold on. Hold on, mama. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Okay.
Oh, watch out, y'all. Blaze, come here.
Aunt Sammy's birthday. Surprise, y'all. Surprise, y'all.
I have your little bees. I think that might feel shoot.
Bonfire on the beach, guys. For Aunt Sammy's birthday. Whoa, look at this. Whoa. We got Hershey's. Yeah, mama. We got graham crackers,
Here.
marshmallows.
Remy.
Whoa.
No, hold it up. You take turns. Happy birthday. It's okay. We get to take turns. That's all right.
Dang, Brody.
They look nice
See
and
those?
toasty. They look nice and toasty. No, these are.
Hold it up a little bit. You want a bikes or a beer?
It's lit out here, y'all. We got the bonfire going.
Jordan? Yeah.
Good vibe.
Yeah.
Late night vibe.
Dad, show the vlog closer.
Here, put it on there.
Show them closer. What you doing right here, booty?
Can you eat yours after it's all
Want some marshmallows?
Yeah, but I'm gonna
Look
make
at 'em. Ooh, look at that, Remy.
I'm gonna
They
get
got
my
smooth. I want some.
There. I'll
You got
get
some for
you
me?
one.
Thank you. Ooh, I can have that.
Yeah. I'll go get another one for you.
Mm. Oh,
Samantha, come here.
what you doing, mama?
Freaking s'mores.
Yeah.
see.
Oh.
Blaze, what you doing, Brody?
way.
Ooh, Blaze, that looks good, buddy.
Oh, wait, you
Yeah,
got
blow
that
it.
on fire.
Oh.
Blow it.
Ooh,
Now
good
eat it.
job.
Now let's go over here and get you a graham cracker.
I'm
Hold on.
gonna do that.
Don't touch it. Don't eat it yet. Wait. It's hot. Your stick's gonna be hot. Bring it over here. Come here, I'm gonna show you.
Dada, look, mine's all roasted up now.
Oh, let me see, mama.
That, hey, look at this.
Chase is right over there. Hey, leave the graham cracker right there.
I think they got stores.
Good job.
That's hot.
That's hot, baby.
Oh, dang.
Dang. Don't bang your hand.
Yeah, and I can't throw my hand.
Goofy.
Have to have like a.
There's more than happy when I on my birthday, Mama.
No, baby. You had those things too.
That a s'mores? They're good, baby? You have it?
Mama, it's like we're having camping next couple at Florida.
No,
Yeah.
it's like camping on the
And we
beach.
are.
We are. I know we are. Good?
Mama.
She said camping on the beach.
Camping on the beach.
Somewhere.
Where are you putting it? Are you eating it?
No, it's too wash it.
It's too sticky? Girl, you're supposed to eat it. Let me try it.
Mama's eating s'mores.
Ooh.
Getting all sticky. You know how sticky it get.
Oh!
Oh.
That's good though, Sissy.
Alright guys, it's my turn to make some s'mores. She is. Mama, she already made her s'mores. Booty's making her second or third s'mores. She's gonna hold the camera while I'll make my s'mores, guys. And she's gonna show you guys my s'more skills.
I want to do it, Mama.
Making some good s'mores.
Yeah.
Where TT?
Mommy, I'm let's go.
We need to tell Kevin to bring us big
About to be
speakers. Kevin ain't waking up to the mom.
Mama,
See. I got the camera, baby.
Daddy, rolling. Daddy.
yummy. Okay, I got that side a little bit cooked.
Mama.
What, baby? Hold on, I will in a minute.
Get mad at yourself, you can't leave me alone. Got some feelings, that ain't what we doing.
I think it's about right, y'all.
Let me see. Good. Perfect.
Not too much. It's a little roast, you know. Alright guys, roasting my marshmallow. Now I'm adding the finishing touches on my s'mores. Hershey's. My s'mores right here. Can you see that, guys? Guess they're good, soft. Now I'm gonna put the Hershey's. S'mores. S'mores, guys. Here we go. Thumbs up. Thumbs up on the s'mores, y'all.
Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rags talking out my. Don't know my status.
We're making s'mores?
Right now it's complicated.
I burning mine.
I got some
Good, I like mine.
Whoa. He's burning s'mores, y'all.
like tough tongue.
He's overly.
Walking out of gold sun. I was
Dude, I burning.
Dude, he got a double on them, a double deck. No, those are Rocky marshmallows now.
He's frying s'mores to the
Look close
extreme.
to the fire there, bro. Damn, bro. Look.
Burning s'mores.
He like it nice and toasty. No, you want to pick it up. You don't want to keep it on the rocks. You want to keep it up.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look at these s'mores.
Yeah, you screwed these up, bro.
Look at these full
Them
s'mores
s'mores are
melting.
done so.
He scorched s'mores. Come on, guys.
Come on.
What is he going through, y'all?
We're making s'mores.
We are scorching s'mores. I cannot make this up.
Damn, you
Yeah,
want
we're
this?
making s'mores. Is this going on your vlog?
Vlog, Shasha.
Let's go.
Shasha, come
Subscribe to
This is
Taiwan.
Shasha, y'all. Show us up to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Yes, that's how I say what's up, yeah.
They're actually very funny.
That's Shasha. My girl right there. It's Auntie Sammy's birthday, y'all.
Happy birthday, Sam. 25. What's my blessed and blooming?
And look at that,
It's a boy.
guys. She has one in the oven.
Something Taiwan will never have.
A boy.
A boy.
Yeah. She said it, y'all. Y'all heard it. She know I ain't gonna have no boy. Cause I'm a girl dad. She know I ain't have no boys. So
I'm going 3-0.
she's trying to rub it in.
He'll be 4-0.
Okay. What's up, guys?
Over there.
Back on the beach. And we ended the vlog.
We started on the beach and we're going to end on the beach.
Bonfire special, y'all. And today's vlog was kind of different because we just jumped right into it. We didn't really introduce ourselves. We, you know, guys, we just got right to the action, so it was like different. And, you know, I kind of like that, y'all. I just, you know, like I said, wanted to be authentic. I want to be raw, and you know, I just want y'all to see the day. Yeah, we just going with the flow, y'all. Going where the day takes us, going with the wind. But yeah, though, it was fun. Today was Aunt Sammy's birthday. 25 years old.
So today was,
Yeah, today was fun. Because we both had,
some events. We had an eventful day.
yeah, and we had mommy and daddy duty separately.
Yeah.
And that was different, and that was unexpected. I didn't expect to be on daddy duties without mama.
As much as you were.
Yeah. But, you know, it's nothing I can handle. I've been there before.
Take your baby. Take your baby right now.
Well, mama, she went to play some volleyball without me. She left me hanging on daddy duties, so she got to go play some volleyball. She lost. She won.
2 rounds.
Yeah. She didn't score. You hit a
What?
You didn't hit a ball over the net.
Yes, I did.
Hit the ground.
Yes, I did. A few times. Yeah, I did.
I didn't see it.
You didn't see it because you was taking care of the kids.
Yeah.
No, you didn't see it. Because you weren't
Hey,
there
but
watching.
my team wouldn't have lost if I was over there. But yeah, and then she was on mama duty.
Always on mom. I'm a mom.
I didn't leave her unexpectedly though.
It's like a little street.
Bro, I got stepped on a soccer game and they broke my whole
That's the
toe.
difference.
We'll be right back. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Y'all want this or can?
That baby. She like that fire.
Hell yeah.
Oh, she dropped a baba. Yeah, look at her. Look at Oh, why are you falling down?
I don't know.
Bye.
No, I'm talking about smoking, but I ain't.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.